Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the Wooting 80HE analog gaming keyboard, a high-performance keyboard designed for gamers who want advanced input control, precision, and a more refined typing experience in a slightly larger, more versatile layout. This keyboard is built for players who want more flexibility without giving up performance. Whether you're playing competitive games, working, or just want a keyboard that feels responsive and customizable, the Wooting 80HE positions itself as a powerful all-in-one option that goes beyond traditional mechanical keyboards. If you want to grab this keyboard for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the Wooting 80HE immediately feels clean and well built. The design is minimal and professional, with a layout that offers more keys than a typical 60% keyboard while still maintaining a compact footprint. This makes it a great balance between space-saving design and everyday usability. You get the extra functionality without making your setup feel crowded. The build quality feels solid, with a sturdy frame that gives you confidence in its durability. Nothing feels loose or cheap, and the overall construction reflects a keyboard designed for long-term use. Once you start using it, the analog Hall effect switches become the biggest highlight. These switches allow you to control actuation depth with precision, meaning you can adjust how far a key needs to be pressed before it registers. This gives you a level of control that traditional keyboards don't offer. You can set lighter presses for faster reactions or deeper presses for more controlled inputs, depending on your playstyle. One of the standout features is Rapid Trigger. This allows keys to reset instantly when released, enabling faster repeated inputs without delay. In competitive gaming, this can make a real difference. Movements feel more responsive and actions feel sharper, especially in fast-paced situations where timing is critical. Another major advantage is analog input support. This allows keys to behave more like controller inputs, giving you variable movement instead of simple on and off actions. For certain games, this creates smoother and more natural control, adding another layer of precision that most keyboards simply can't match. Despite its strong focus on performance, the typing experience still feels smooth and consistent. The keys feel stable, and the overall feedback is refined enough for everyday typing, not just gaming. Customization is another area where the Wooting 80HE stands out. You can fine-tune actuation points, adjust sensitivity, and create different profiles for different use cases. This level of personalization allows you to tailor the keyboard exactly to your preferences, whether you're optimizing for gaming, work, or general use. The software experience is simple and easy to navigate. You can make adjustments quickly without dealing with overly complicated settings, which makes it practical for everyday use. RGB lighting is fully customizable and adds a clean, polished look to the keyboard. The lighting is smooth and evenly distributed, allowing you to match your setup or keep things minimal depending on your style. Comfort is also well considered. The slightly larger layout provides a more familiar typing experience compared to smaller keyboards, which can make it easier to adjust if you're coming from a full-size setup. At the same time, it still keeps your desk space organized and efficient. When it comes to performance, the Wooting 80HE is built for speed and consistency. Every key press feels immediate, and the keyboard keeps up even during intense gameplay without missing inputs. It's designed for competitive environments where precision and responsiveness matter the most. Durability also feels reliable. The build quality and switch design give you confidence that it can handle long-term use without losing performance. Over time, that consistency becomes just as important as speed. Connectivity is straightforward and dependable. The keyboard connects easily and works without unnecessary setup, allowing you to focus on your experience instead of configuration. When it comes to value, the Wooting 80HE sits in the premium category. It's not designed to be a standard keyboard. It focuses on delivering advanced features and high-level performance. For users who want more control, more customization, and a keyboard that adapts to their playstyle, this is a strong option. Over time, what really matters is how your keyboard performs in real situations. Speed, precision, and consistency tend to have a bigger impact than extra features you rarely use. The Wooting 80HE focuses on delivering that reliable and high-performance experience every time you use it. Overall, the Wooting 80HE analog gaming keyboard is a powerful and versatile keyboard that brings together precision, customization, and a balanced layout into one complete package. If you're looking for a keyboard that gives you more control while still maintaining comfort and usability, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.